Manage Vouchers. In here you can set up vouchers to be used in your shop. These can be discount codes or voucher codes. The difference between them are that the discount codes are one-time use. If it's a percentage, then a customer can use that percent of discount one time and then it's disabled. If it's a set amount, like 500 kroners, the customer can buy for 500 kroner, and once the 500 kroner has been used up, the code is disabled. Voucher codes last for as long as you set the time period. So if it's 10% discount that has been set up on the voucher code, then that code can be used by anyone as many times as they like. Of course, only once per purchase, but the code will always give 10% discount. This code can be used for other companies where you have a discount agreement with them. If they buy from your shop, they get a 10% discount, for example. If this is a set amount, then that amount can always be used. So if you give a voucher code for 250 kroner, then every time they type in the code, they get 250 kroner off their purchase. To create a voucher, go under Create Voucher. Type in a voucher code. This can be anything. This is the code the customer needs to type in checkout. You set a start date and an end date for when the voucher runs out. Can be used by single customer or multiple customer. This is basically discount. A multiple customer is a voucher code. You can choose whether or not the code should be active, whether or not the code should give free freight, so the customer doesn't pay the freight price when they use the code. You can set the code to not apply to already discounted products. Down here you set whether or not the code should be a percentage code or a fixed discount. So if you want to give them 10% discount, you select percentage and type in 10. If it's a fixed amount, you choose fixed amount and type in how much. The price is including VAT. You can also set up a minimum amount before the voucher actually can be used. So if you set a fixed amount of 200 kroners, then you can type in here they need to buy for at least 500 kroners before they can use the code. You set up the currency and you select what products the code should be active on. If it's all the products in your shop, specific products, or specific products in specific product groups. Lastly, you have the note field where you can type in the information of the company, example if you're making a voucher code, since you don't have anywhere else to type in why the code was made. Once you're done, you click Save. If it was a voucher code, it will appear under voucher codes. If it was a discount code, it will appear under discounts. Below you have unused vouchers, where you can see a list of all the vouchers that have been made that hasn't been used yet.